Avenue. Latest Announcements block. The Latest Announcements block displays recent announcement posts as listed items. It also contains a link to older announcements. Instructors must add announcements to the Announcements forum. Those announcements then appear in the Latest Announcements block. See the Help Center article about announcements for instructions on adding an announcement to your course. Click on Add a new topic to quickly create an announcement for your class. Give the discussion topic a subject. Type your message. Scroll down the page and click on Post to Forum. Use the breadcrumb trail to return to the main course page. The new topic appears in the Latest Announcements block. By default, the Latest Announcements block displays 5 announcement items. Click on a topic name link, in this example, PBLA Checklist, to open the full announcement. Use the breadcrumb trail to return to the main course page. Click on Older Topics to view previous announcements.